Oh hi, welcome back. Let's create this holographic looking design in Photoshop where there is this iridescent material that will shine and create this rainbow glow in it. Let's start making one. So hold on. All you do now is to fill the background with white. Click on the fill tool and then click on this one. And then you head over to filter and then you head over to stylize. No. Render, and then you click on clouds. Afterwards, you click on filter and then you click on liquify. Afterwards, you want to make this kind of look. You want to make the cloud material to be liquefied so that it looks like the cloth look, the reflective cloth kind of look, just like so. Do it randomly. Make sure that there are no squares, just like this. Drag it upwards if you see this, squared area, just like so. And then afterwards, when you're done, okay, this would do. And then click on OK when you're done. Afterwards, you want to do this blurring. Click on filter, head over to blur, and then head over to Gaussian blur, and then simply do it like this, for example, and then click on OK afterwards. And then let's do some coloring. Head over to image, adjustments, and then click on gradient map, and then color it with a baby blue color, just like this. Okay, and then let's say if you want to do a purple, baby purple, and then if you want to do a light pink kind of look, just like this, and then same goes with this. If you want to do a light green, this will be the highlight, just like so, and then you click on OK. Afterwards, you want to do another pink, I guess. Pink, no, darker pink. That's to say, I'm sorry. For example, this pink, and then you want to add some blue in it. This baby blue, and there's a bit of indigo in it. And then you want to add like this, And then when you're done, you have to bring some brighter area for this part. Click here and then make it brighter. This light green, for example, and then you put it around here, and then you click here and then you click on another area so that the color is duplicated, just like this. And then you want to add a bit of this darker pink shade, just like so. And then alright, almost done now actually. Alright, when you're done, click on OK. Click on OK. No, click on OK here, and then click on OK here, and then you're done making this holographic look. And you can do some color grading if necessary, just to bring some highlights, just like so. And then you can do some tweaks with the blue level so that it looks really yellowy, just like this, so that we can have this this rainbow effect. And then click on OK. Afterwards, you want to add some noise so that it looks more realistic, just like this. And then look, we've created this holographic look in Photoshop. It looks really colorful, especially the pink area in this. Oh yeah, looking really, really vivid. That's it for the video. Thank you for watching. Do drop a like if you enjoyed the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao!